You are going to love the 2017 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, power mirrors, xenon headlights, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.